I can rock this one and get some looks. How you doing? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by CurlsCurls. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. Now, before we get into this glueless big booty Judy of a wig, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from CurlsCurls. All the specs for my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This one is going to be, it's going to be big. But I need to cut off the lace in the back first because I'm not going to use that. I'm going to go ahead and tell you out the gate, this unit smells like a perm, like a very, very strong perm. So I'm gonna have to use my dry shampoo to kind of mask that a little bit before I have to wash her again, because yeah, it's a lot. Mine did come with the attached elastic band. It's already sewn in, so you should get one on yours as well. Before I put this on my head, I'm going to tint my lace with my Mocha 360 powder. This is my pressed powder from Maybelline, and I need to find my brush. Tint it up around this hairline. This hairline looking a little bit thicker than I want her to be, but I may be able to just kind of do some pulling and get this hairline together. So, let me just clip this up. The hairline it's a little thick. I could definitely just pull some hair out the front. I just want to break it up a little bit. CurlsCurls, you may want to go ahead and pluck this hairline a little bit more. If it's easier to use your tweezers, go ahead and do that. Tweeze it up a little bit. I didn't want to use the tweezers because I didn't want to have to, you know, pull out the hair or cause too much shedding, you know, but here we are. I can already tell this hair can be a little overwhelming. Cut this off right across the front. Cut the sides. Now I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around my hairline just to mold this lace to my face. Bars. Oh, that's too much. I am gonna swirl it just a little bit because this is kinky curly, so I want it to be kind of frizzy around my edges. I can't really tell if this unit has layers. I mean, I think it does. It keeps sliding back on my daggone head though. Let me clip this back. I'm gonna wrap this down. I look crazy. Now, because this is a kinky curly texture, I could use my curl glaze, but the curl glaze for me makes it a little heavier, and I don't want this unit to be heavy. I want it to be defined but fluffy and big. So I'm going to use my Nairobi mousse. I don't know how this is going to work out because, like I said, this is really thick. So I'm going to spray it down with a little bit more water, and then I'm going to use my Nairobi mousse all over the wig. This hair is going to drink up this product. I know it. When you wash this wig, take your time. I finger raked it first, and then I went in and used my detangler brush. So if you don't got time, this may not be the wig for you, okay? Good thing I don't gotta leave the house for another 3 hours, because this wasn't gonna be the wig today if I had to leave in 30 minutes. I feel like the hair is longer in the front than it is in the back. I am going to definitely finger coil this one. If it'll do it, I don't know if it's going to do it. It's not. Oh, there it is. Okay. Because of the color of this hair, I want to make sure I don't give this a ramen noodle look. I went on and did this side off camera because I didn't want to take too long, and it actually didn't take that long at all. So for this hair, use a lot of moisture. So your water and your mousse or whatever products you're going to use to get your curls popping. I'll go ahead and diffuse the hair really quick, and then we'll come back and fluff it out together. Okay? Be right back. Okay, whoo, child, that's a lot of hair. Let me clip it back so I can get this band off. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I have a little dampness in there, but it's pretty much all dried down. Okay, I can work with that. The way it's fitting around my ear, the ear tab portion is a little short. Like it's right on top of my ear. I ain't gonna worry about that too much because my sides will more than likely be down unless I do an upstyle. You know. I'm definitely rocking her glueless, and she's sitting really nice on my head. Let me take these off. I was gonna do a straight middle part, but I think I like this little side situation that I got going on. So I'm gonna leave that. Get my pick so I can fluff it. Not too much, I gotta be real careful. So I don't wanna make it too much bigger.
It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
But I need to fix my shape though. My shape is a little off. So a little bit of mousse right here. I want this to kind of sit back off my face. I may need to cut this right here. I hope it works. Let's put a little mousse on the end. Using the curl glaze will definitely hold the curls a lot better. But like I said, I didn't want that heaviness on this hair because the hair is already pretty thick and it's big. So I didn't want to add weight on top of that. Just be mindful of that if you decide to use the mousse or the curl glaze. The look and the feel of the wig will definitely be a lot different. Let me get my contour so I can blend in my lace. It's a little ashy in some spots, not too much though. Very light, right up in there. There we go. There we go. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it. Okay, y'all. Woo, this one. This one had your girl questioning her skills. I mean, the end result is cute, okay? It's wearable. I can rock this one and get some looks. How you doing? But the process to get here is a little bit longer than I expected it to be, especially for this texture. Kinky curly, y'all know that's my jam, okay? But it worked out, okay? It worked out and I like it now. Now, for those of y'all who reminded me, thank you. I finally got my hairspray, so I did use this to kind of hold my hair up here in the front because it kept falling. It's still kind of falling a little bit, but I don't want to put too much hairspray on it. I feel like once it's like dry all the way, you know, like air dry all the way, it'll kind of stick in place. I did go ahead and cock mine behind my ear to kind of push it back off my face without having to, you know, spray down too much of the wig or cut any type of layers. It's cute, like it's growing on me, but it's a lot of hair. Things that I've learned from this install that I want you to do for yourself: put some more water on it. Don't let it air dry like I did. Mine sat for about an hour before I got to actually styling the wig. Get whatever curl product you're gonna use on the hair and use it as fast as possible after the wash. Nairobi, even though she my girl, it's not moisturizing. Due to this being a thicker texture, it drank that product right on up, okay? The water and the mousse. So you gotta use some type of conditioner or your curl glaze. I normally would use this curl glaze, the Dark and Lovely curl glaze, on my kinky curly wigs. However, I didn't want the hair to be weighed down. If I would have used that right after I washed the unit, it may have helped how much product I had to use, so maybe it wouldn't have been as heavy. I've used my curl glaze on other wigs. I will link them down below so you can check those out so you can see exactly how that looks. CurlsCurls has a more realistic 4C, etc. kinky curly. Textures like this are high maintenance because they do dry down, they do get frizzy a lot, and they require a lot of products. I haven't tried this color in a long time and I was a little iffy about it, but as soon as I swapped out my glasses, I knew it definitely looks really natural. I could see this wig on, like, you know, Kelly or Beyonce or something. I really could. My only preference for this wig would be a little bit more layers. The hair in the front is longer than the hair in the back. Like the way the layers are cut, somebody forgot to cut the front. I don't know. CurlsCurls, you know, write that down. I did get a lot of shedding with this unit and I also got tangles. I'll say it again. This is a very realistic curl texture. This is still like bothering me how like dry this looks. I'm going to use my Simply Styling light silk spray. I use this mainly on my synthetic wigs, but I have used it on my human hair wigs when they seem a little dull. It gives it just a little bit of shine. Can you see it? If that light hits it just right. I can see it here, so if you don't see it, it's okay. Just know it's there. That definitely helped the smell, because listen, I went through some things. I was not really sure how this is gonna look on me, but I'm happy I stuck with it. Shout out one more time to CurlsCurls for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys wanna check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.